Let's go. Wow, yes, my friend. So beautiful, muddy car. Alright, let's go, my friend. Let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Wow, what is this? An aeroplane. Okay, let's go, my friend. Well, my friend, which one do you like to go the first, my friend? How about this one, my friend? What do you think of this? Okay, let's see. Well, this is police car, my friend. Okay, nice, stay there. And how about this one? This is beautiful car. Alright, drag race car, my friend.
71 Ford, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack. The nitrous engine, all those kids come.
Okay, nice. Stay here. How about this one? Okay, let's see, my friend. Amazing, this is excavator, my friend. Okay, excavator. Okay, this one is a dump truck, my friend. Okay, beautiful dump truck. Stay here. Wow, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see, my friend. What is this? Ta-da, McQueen.
See you at the finish line. What? That is something I had made up for the occasion.
Guys, a little too much chatter. Let's keep this line clear. Smoke from number 10. Let's Godspeed.
Alright, this lighting McQueen. Wow, nice. Stay there. What else, my friend? Do you know what is this? Alright. Okay, let's go. Clean up. Taram taram. Long chassis dump truck. Okay, look at this. Huge truck. Ta-da! Right, stay there. What there's monster truck. Okay. Can you imagine what kind of car of this, my friend? Okay. Oh, the handsome man. Oh, meter. Right. It's
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
going to towing a car. Stay there. Alright. Okay, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see what is this. Wow, amazing dump truck. Okay, stay there. There's a dump truck, my friend. Okay, what is this, my friend? Wow, rally car. amazing. Okay, this is a rally car. Right, let's go with this one, my friend. What is this? This is fire rescue, my friend. Fire rescue, okay. Stay there. Right, what is this? Well, actually, this is a amazing double cabin, my friend. Okay, very good. Okay, double cabin. And how about this one, my friend? Okay, beautiful tayo.
Hey, I've got one. There's nothing this road can't handle. Just wait and see. I'll do just fine.
Alright, what is this, my friend? This is a Molen truck. Well, what is this? Let's see, my friend. This is a compactor. Okay, compactor, see there. And what is this, my friend? Alright, this is a tayo.
A garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course.
Okay, yellow color. How about this one? Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Alright, let's go, my friend. Continue with this one, my friend. Look at this. This is rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.